Hey there, homeowners. Welcome to Jhotek Electrical. My name is Joseph, and I'm a licensed electrician with years of experience. Are you tired of living with outdated electrical systems? In this video, we'll showcase some exciting home electrical upgrades that will improve your safety, convenience, and property value. Let's get started. Let's talk about your house. It's more than just walls and a roof. It's your sanctuary. And like anything we care about, it needs some love and attention over time. Today we're focusing on electrical upgrades. Electrical upgrades aren't just about fancy gadgets, though those are fun. They're about safety, convenience, and even increasing your property value. An outdated electrical system is a big risk. Don't wait for flickering lights or blown fuses to tell you something's wrong. Let's proactively make your home the best it can be. Are you ready to transform your home? Let's dive in. Think of your electrical panel as the heart of your home's electrical system. It's the central hub that ensures every part of your home gets the power it needs to function properly. It directs electricity where it needs to go, managing the flow to different circuits and ensuring everything runs smoothly. If your panel is old, it might not be able to handle the demands of modern living. Over time, electrical panels can become outdated and less efficient. You have more gadgets, more appliances than ever before. From smart home devices to high-powered kitchen appliances, the electrical load has increased significantly. An outdated panel can overload. This means it can struggle to keep up with the power demands, leading to frequent breaker trips. This can trip breakers and even be a fire hazard. Yikes! The risk of electrical fires increases with an old, overworked panel. Upgrading to a new electrical panel gives you more than just peace of mind. It provides increased capacity to handle all your appliances and electronics without worry, ensuring that your home can keep up with your lifestyle. Improved safety features reduce the risk of electrical fires and other hazards, making your home a safer place for you and your family. And it gives you peace of mind knowing your home is safe and sound, with a reliable electrical system that won't let you down. Don't wait for a problem to arise. Get your panel checked by a professional today, and ensure your home's electrical system is up to date and safe. Remember when a smart home seemed like something out of a movie? Those futuristic homes with talking appliances and automated systems seemed like a distant dream, only possible in sci-fi films. Well, the future is here. Today, smart home technology is not just a concept but a reality that is transforming the way we live. Smart home technology is now accessible and affordable. You don't need to break the bank to start upgrading your home with smart devices, and it can make your life a whole lot easier. Imagine waking up to a home that adjusts the temperature for you, or lights that turn on as you enter a room. Imagine controlling your lights, thermostat, and even appliances from your phone. With just a few taps, you can create the perfect ambiance or ensure your home is energy efficient. You can set schedules, monitor energy usage, and even get alerts if something needs your attention. This means you can optimize your energy consumption and save money. Smart homes offer convenience to control your home from anywhere. Whether you're at work or on vacation, you can always stay connected to your home. Energy efficiency to save money on your energy bills. Smart thermostats and energy-efficient devices help you reduce your carbon footprint while saving money. And enhanced security to monitor your home remotely for added peace of mind. You can keep an eye on your property and loved ones no matter where you are. It's easy to get started with smart home upgrades. Many devices are designed for simple installation, so you can do it yourself without needing professional help. Start small and add more as you go. Begin with a few key devices and gradually expand your smart home ecosystem to suit your needs and lifestyle. Let's talk about lighting. It's a big part of your home's energy use, and it can make a big difference in your bills. Old incandescent bulbs are energy hogs. Switching to energy-efficient LED lights can save you a lot of money over time. LED lights last longer, use less energy, and are available in a variety of colors and styles. You can brighten up your home while saving money. It's an easy switch that makes a big difference. We've covered big upgrades, but don't forget about smaller ones that offer big protection. A whole house surge protector is like insurance for your electronics. It safeguards them from power surges caused by lightning strikes or power outages. Other upgrades to consider include GFCI outlets, which protect against electrical shocks in wet areas like kitchens and bathrooms, and dedicated circuits, which provide safe and reliable power for appliances like refrigerators and microwaves. These upgrades might seem small, but they offer big protection. Call Jhotek today. Our team is standing by to assist you with all your electrical needs. Whether it's a small repair or a major upgrade, we have the expertise to get the job done right. Upgrading your home's electrical system is an investment in your safety, comfort, and peace of mind. Modern electrical systems are more efficient and can handle the increased demand of today's technology-driven homes. Don't wait for problems to arise. Electrical issues can be dangerous and costly if not addressed promptly. Regular maintenance and timely upgrades can prevent potential hazards and save you money in the long run. Take proactive steps today to create a safer, more efficient, and more enjoyable home for you and your family. With smart home devices and energy-efficient appliances, you can reduce your energy bills and enjoy a more convenient lifestyle. Jhotek Electrical is here to help. Our experienced team is dedicated to providing top-quality service and ensuring your home is up to code. We pride ourselves on our professionalism and attention to detail. We are your trusted experts for all your electrical needs. From initial consultation to final installation, we work closely with you to ensure your complete satisfaction. Our team of licensed electricians will provide you with top-notch service and ensure your home is safe and up to code. We use the latest tools and techniques to deliver reliable and efficient solutions. Call us today for a free consultation. Our friendly customer service representatives are ready to answer your questions and schedule an appointment at your convenience. We'll assess your needs and provide you with a customized plan to transform your home. Trust Jhotek Electrical to deliver exceptional results and make your home a safer, more comfortable place to live.